Okay, I've had some questions regarding the dimensions of my crosscut sled, so I thought I'd address them. The dimensions, they could vary greatly, especially with the width. The length, for this table saw at least, I think this is a good length, but the width could be longer. You just have to be aware that the parts extending off of the saw are unsupported potentially. Anyways, let's see, this particular crosscut sled is just, looks like 26 3/8 about. Okay, and that's its width. Its length is pretty much 22 inches. Now this is, as you saw in the video, 3/4 inch plywood laminated together, so that makes 1.5 inches. And then we'll go ahead and measure my fence. That's 9 3/4 in length. As you see here with the upper section, is about 4.5. And this side I did about 4 3/4. But those are dimensions that can change and vary. Some people might want to know my back fence length, 22 3/4, which is the same as this side. As you notice here, I put on a plexiglass guard. It just cuts down the debris that might fly in your face. And we'll flip it over and take a look at the runners. So here are my runners. They don't run full length. They sure could, but they're 21 inches about. Just a little under 21 inches. And then these runners, let's see, they're 3/4 of an inch. What else we got here? A laminated cutoff just glued on to this face here. Well, I think that's it for the dimensions of my crosscut sled. As you see here, I used quite a number of screws to keep that shape, that straight shape, from warping. And they're all countersunk. It's worked out really well. The one thing I wish I potentially didn't do, or I should have made this come out a little bit longer, and I shouldn't have cut through. That extra little resistance right there from not cutting through it could protect my thumb if it happened upon there. Anyways, I hope this answers some of your questions, and have a good day.